Welcome to how to use the STYLPRO LED Blemish and Spot Patch. Within your box you will receive one LED blemish patch, 2 lots of 10 blemish patches featuring hydrocolloid and salicylic acid, and your charging cable. To charge your device, plug in your USB-C cable into the port at the side of your device. Always ensure you are applying your device to a clean and dry face. First of all, remove your blemish patches from the protective sheet. Remove one from the sheet and stick to the back of the LED patch. Once secure on the LED patch, pull on the plastic tab to expose the stickiness. Turn on your device by pressing the on-off button at the side of your device. Then, firmly press your device onto a problematic area on the face. Your LED patch will time off after 10 minutes. Once your session is finished, use your finger to secure the patch underneath and remove the device. The blemish patch underneath can be worn for as long as desired. To clean your device, simply wipe down with a damp cloth. Once you have used all of your blemish patches, you can buy 30 replacements. Thank you for watching our how to use STYLPRO LED Blemish and Spot Patch.